Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore QQQ in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 26th of September, 2024, and we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 24th of September, 2024, our system has identified QQQ as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.14. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has experienced a gain of 0.84%. This equates to an average return of 0.28% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is positioned at the upper part of a broad and declining trend in the short term. This typically presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend is to be expected. If there is a breakout at the upper trend line at $492.11, it will initially indicate a slower rate of decline and may signal the beginning of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 2.46% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 14.74% to negative 1.94%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 30.61% over the next year, with potential returns between 20.64% and 41.47%. This equates to a price range of $590.48 to $692.48 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for QQQ includes the headline: QQQ ETF price ended at $489.47 on Thursday after gaining 0.751%. The QQQ ETF price gained 0.751% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 26th of September, 2024, rising from $485.82 to $489.47. It has now gained for 4 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it manages to continue this upward trend or takes a minor break in the coming days. During the last trading session, the ETF fluctuated 1.63%, with a day low of $485.80 and a day high of $493.70. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 3.43% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has risen on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 6 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 31 million shares changed hands for approximately $15.310 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $503.52, while the lowest was $342.35. Currently, the price is 2.79% or $14.05 below the 52-week high of $503.52, which also stands as the all-time high for the ETF. Recent market developments surrounding the Invesco QQQ Trust, known for its focus on technology stocks, highlight its potential for growth alongside inherent risks. The QQQ has reported a notable rise of 2.7% from its weekly low, indicating investor confidence amidst widespread bearish sentiment in the broader market. This resilience suggests that technology stocks continue to attract interest, particularly with the anticipated benefits from innovations in artificial intelligence, which could redefine efficiencies across various sectors. As we approach the end of the year, there are indications of a possible rally in equities, bolstered by favorable market conditions and optimistic sentiment towards technology stocks. A recent dip in inflation to its lowest levels since 2021, combined with expectations of a rate cut, might further bolster investor confidence. Such macroeconomic factors could potentially enhance the QQQ's attractiveness to both growth-focused and value-seeking investors. In the short term, heightened volatility might reflect ongoing market adjustments, yet the long-term outlook remains positive, especially if the technology sector continues to innovate and expand. Overall, these dynamic factors position the QQQ favorably as a strong contender in an evolving investment landscape, with the potential for significant growth ahead. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. The chart displays mostly positive signals today. The QQQ exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook for the stock. Notably, there is a general buy signal indicated by the short-term average being above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support will be found at levels of $482.99 and $470.97. A breakdown below any of these thresholds will trigger sell signals. A buy signal originated from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, July 10, 2024, and so far it has decreased by 2.68%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, a buy signal is generated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a strong technical signal. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 56 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 38 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 13 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 13 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 10 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 13 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal from 213 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. On the downside, the ETF finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $448.75 and $439.53. There is a natural risk involved when an ETF is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the ETF then may fall to the next support level. In this case, QQQ finds support just below today's level at 445. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $439.53 and $435.37. This ETF is usually traded at a good volume, and with minor daily changes, the risk is considered to be low. During the last day, the ETF moved 790s, 1.63% between high and low. For the last week, the ETF has had daily average volatility of 1.05%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for QQQ, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio might indicate low expectations for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, which could present a potential buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $491.93. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could present an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ faces its first support level at $448.75. If this support level remains intact, it could serve as a promising entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $473.81, which reflects a decrease of 3.2%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits low daily movements, contributing to a reduced risk profile. However, the relative strength index, calculated over 14 periods, stands at 90, indicating a notable increase in risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 110 days ago. Is the QQ ETF a good investment? Several short-term indicators are positive. Despite the ETF being in a downward trend, we believe the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for the ETF to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 27th of September, we anticipate that QQQ will open up by approximately 18 cents, starting at $489.66. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.